Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To edit a group's settings in Outlook, click the Group Settings button in the Group Name button group, where group name is the name of your group, on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the Edit Group command from the button's drop-down menu to open the Edit Group dialog box. To add a new group photo or change the existing photo, click the Edit link on the group's picture in the upper left corner of the dialog box. Your default web browser then opens and shows the Edit Group pane in Outlook on the web in Microsoft 365. In this pane, click the pencil icon on the group's picture to add or change the group's picture. A File Upload dialog box then appears. Navigate to the picture to use and click the file to select it. Then click the Open button in the dialog box to add the selected picture to the group. Alternatively, to delete the group's current picture, click the trash can icon on the group's picture in the Edit Group pane. It is immediately deleted. After changing the group picture, click the Save button at the top of the Edit Group pane to save your changes. Then close the web browser to return to Outlook. The next time you open the group in Outlook, the group's picture shows your changes. Back in the Edit Group dialog box in Outlook, to change the name of the group, type a new name into the Choose a Name field. While you can change the group's name, the group ID, which is the group's email address, remains the same. To change the group's privacy setting, use the Privacy drop-down. To change the group's public description, type it into the Description field. To add new users to the group, type their names or emails into the Add People field and then select them in the list to add them to the Members list. To remove a member, hover over them in the Members list. Then click the Remove Member button that appears at the right end of the entry. To make a member an owner, click the Make Owner link to the right of the member's entry. To remove ownership from an owner after assigning ownership to another, click the Remove Owner Status link to the right of the owner's entry. To have new members follow the group in their personal inboxes, check the Subscribe New Members so they receive group email in their inbox, otherwise they'll only see it in the Group Inbox checkbox. To change the group's notification language, select a choice from the Language for Group-Related Notifications drop-down. If available for your organization, to let external users email the group, check the Let People Outside the Organization Email the Group checkbox. If you originally invited external users, they can respond to conversations. However, by default, they cannot create new conversations without checking this checkbox. To delete the group, click the Delete Group button. A Delete Group Warning dialog box then appears. You must check the I understand that all group content will be deleted checkbox, and then click the Delete button in this warning dialog box to permanently delete the group.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.